Fatima Kwaba Agreement, I say, my boatima, the fancy door, so they our sepejuma dear, ebre. There's no darling moment. Fancy Confederation. Asem Yi Di Ka and Edu said, as I saw Gusu, Badwam on Adom TV, live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119, Multi TV, Digi Box, and Sunya be share live, and so on. Yes, streaming on YouTube, Adom TV on YouTube, Facebook is here, Adom TV Extra, Adom TV Extra. Share, Mobi, Enyabi, and Chef and a second say, Elcoma, Kingdom Herb, I'm going to Kingdom Garlic Bitters, Kingdom Garlic Capsules, Eddie Abajaso. Ye do tatashe boy ye pa emma de pejana ho ni timbam dan dan nyina otimde wo dwuma se de fata isa se e boost we immune system ni ye emma dan da ho yade bia ba ni pedwama timi ko editia no strade wo do nso a ado ni pedwama so no ebua na anane strade ni nyina so e de efri wonom e de amount Kingdom Garlic Bitters, Kingdom Garlic Capsules tatashe pa New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsule ye mema dia mema di mema yesem e wo empeboa ma meba o mema yesemu wiemu de bana bia meka twese mpacho enye aphrodisiac enye duro anum ya na so no ba ere kwa akoda bi eye duro anum a esiesi o ha bia ma bema se woto sini ewo mpem tremendous so man so de say infern ma yi white ni nyina e de fro Ghana ba bia ton do bia no okwa nsa ebeka bi ato atufofo ani eche Kingdom Herbal Center o Kanshi Drug Lane frame 0275 804064 0275 804064 and 0302 938 153 0302 938 153 Kingdom or no challenger within the akwasi in Asem Yi Di Ka eni and then me work mo bi ambabedi about NDC addition penifo animal to about but Ghana supporters are what Côte d'Ivoire, and now it's a Moncrano through Yaman Boni Philippotu. I just want to believe, say, me information one tin a year. Messa Fabra Crabby Nama summarize. Me make kindness say, me say some margin. Me nim the NT or say a buy a ball who can say, or Bema by Biada. Before we shana say bass, a muddy across a pot of blastasa. Yes, some more did this cat. And no dear men so. And I must some argue mu say a who for the buy in quan ye be men cancer. Me see a ye amanaka or see a drew baby in neck chance say enough is enough. Yes, say Ghana I want to trade is a casem enquia and maybe I to me so as for mine. Them case man to me, I may say to me, Minister of Promotion Adom TV Côte d'Ivoire. Timunti nam tin ye. Men supporting net supported na it said who to kwa unim so bedidi won kwa na supported blasters ye wo fie so enye dey ye so be $400 ni bia na ye so be $400 ni bi so fie na o mensi kasem nye ye so ai supporters fa ko ye pe obi o mu na ye pe play tickets mo ye sam mo sika mo sa twa dwe na dia dey Nam Kenya mwa ade management committee you want to 9 crada edge $100,000 now I'm just $400 quick one me show video be actually but I think some say somewhere 2020 prior to the elections here now NDC penfo because so akofrem esuan kantem din say omoto mo party na gisika na say anything be be ma part no edin kugu a wode woma etwa so wode wankasa nso kwa etwa so mo asem kana patcho quickly patcho share video yi se sie na de emra medi nkomo share video yi
bring me the money your shoe stand on this one. Say by this sword, I vow But if I compromise, and sold my party out, for money, for this coming election, may I die, and my firstborn, also die, in my place. So help me God. Amen. Say, as I held this soul, if I compromise, and sell my party out, in an exchange of money, on this coming election, may I die, and my firstborn, die in my place. So help me God. Say, I shall held unto this soul. I make a vow. But if I sell my party out,
in an
exchange of money,
on anything,
may I die. My firstborn die. Before I get home. So help me God. God bless you. You'll be my friend.
I receive it.
I just saw your position that after the party, I saw your position.
I receive it.
I will tell you.
Amen.
Say, I shall held on to this soul. If I sell my party, the NDC, in an exchange of money, may I die. May my firstborn perish in my place. So help me God. Amen. Very fast.
80. Me say, well, media you be ni believe. Me ni issue. My concern. I wish a party may sad way when they come to power. I wish a former President Mahama will hold the same sword to vow. So Obano fakwati kwanso faganda skabia. May he die. May his firstborn die. I wish all his appointees would do same. I wish all the appointees, you be power would do same. So Obano mo fakwati kwanso edi ganes kaskabone soa. May they perish. May their firstborns perish. Or maybe a politics they are babidu. There be a make it say MPP, NDC. They don't think about Ghana. No more why a political power. A combat me for so better testify almost selfish parochial interest. Opa and them yanka say one more meswako from a son. Yancy sense what more can say. They will kick against it. But don't say on political party, combat me for so party never win the power there. Every say free academy and apostle general. O free sorry ashemuma. Yeah, we name Ephesians chapter 4 verses 29. Or also in 1 Peter chapter 3 verses 10. Ne kwakro say name James chapter 3 verses 9 to 12. Every say free ankra. Me see I wish. Says John Hama nyame na dum no nya bedi Ghana kunya sekim. The same sword, the same words. No munyo mo party free one. No munyo if I sell out my party. Yenye se medi men sabo Ghana sekem ya ensem fata. Me every free anka. Me baka sungu. But onka. Oba emmo mutrim. Because of power, she nipa da sani to me, she nipa da sani eye. Ne ba on can be shame. Akwada onim ni papa na mo to ya wotu. She sunsuma wo wa odi ne ba esi. Ne ba nim ne papa ye ho hwe o. Akwada nim ne maame eye ho hwe. But she soon wa ne mami ara send papa edinisi because of political power. Hwedwe bokese ababo mankasa mo. It when them will be sell it out. We them will be and sell part out. It's so sad. There be am comes my politics no cheap, time. I'm on your seminal. But I make a mini issue you be GD no GD sebet me aboa man the party. I didn't bam no mini issue ho. Ba me pa machaw. Honorable Evese Frianka, can you say the same vow on Brazil 2014? Ubetimi aba be ka che Ghana for say, o so sa akofra kwam asua say, se wo ko Brazil, we ni Ghana sika, wongu anaso obaka nwu. Evese Frianka. Ubetimi aka the same thing. Se wo ko Brazil no, Ghana sika de ma o ebi anko botom, abre ni kwa se ko botom. Can you make the same vow? Ubetimi. I will say ka start na ka de no start. I said 2014. Amam for say me di Ghana for ekọ Brazil no makwa akodi sika me so akofram ekantam so say Ghana sika be di botu abra na nsam fata me Evese Frianka mingu ana mabaka ngu o small party ja o man nya twom. Eti former president Mahama we dey need him enya ne ye wa party for na start. Say they are not willing to sell their party out. Same as I believe that they are not willing to sell Ghana out. To the mobile. We nye Bible na sem. Mufa Bible na tuo. Na sa ko fra kro na mumo munsum. Na wa munsusum bi. Na sa kan santam no ekadi eche se. Me John Dramani Mahama. Me come hontam say. Akonya kesi a me free se me di Ghana sika bia me nwu ana mabaka nwu na mo appointees na so ni akire na Ghana fo yeso ye nimwachi ne kasa mpa afa de ye wogidie ese esina ba ko mi miensa ewu a oman batwe kakra ba wonim monye because mo ba mbedi mo ba ho bedi monye no kra om no monya de amaye ba Evese Frianka eya it's so sad. So sad. So I'm a politics. I draw to this lie. Why? Edienko. Ediebenko. Ediebe. De bad enko. Tumi amo prime bebe nyina ese MPP fuadi o samu so medibi. Nyembe ya no. Bibie no amba ba san. MPP fuadi bi o se enso medibi. NDC fuadi bi o se MPP fuadi so medibi. Nemu ye munye but now make us say mun keep the same vow after 2025 ye nyina banam the same vow as asum Ghana ye so bibi obenya akwanya bia so asum Ghana under the next NDC administration bia no will take this same vow. Why? Me dey akosinsia pese mbre and aso